Let me show you how we can fix missing LDAC option in Bluetooth settings of your Bluetooth device on Realme 14T. So if you went to the settings of your Bluetooth device and you are supposed to have LDAC but it is missing over here, the reason why it is missing is most likely because of an app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. So in my case, I have this app over here, and in order to solve this issue, I need to find the sound quality settings or effect settings. And in there, I have the sound quality option where I can prioritize connection quality or the sound quality. In your case, it might be similar. So essentially, you need to find an option where you can choose what should be prioritized. And you want to make sure that the sound quality is the priority over here. If I switch to sound quality and if I go back to the settings, as you can see right now, I have LDAC option. But if I switch back to the connection quality, then the LDAC option is switched to AAC, at least in my case. So this is how we can solve this issue. Just make sure that the sound quality is the priority in the app settings or the sound quality settings of the app that you may have downloaded for your Bluetooth device. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.